Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Labhanshi Chauhan and I make dance and makeup related videos. Although from so long I haven't posted any video because I was so busy with my studies and all. Anyways, now I am here. So summers are here and we all love to do that summery glowy makeup look. So today I'm gonna create a glowy peachy makeup look. You all are gonna love it and that's so easy to create. So let's get started. So guys, starting off with some skincare routine. Already applied my toner and my favorite moisturizer. This is from Khadi Natural Mint and Cucumber Toner and this is the all-time favorite light gel moisturizer, super light gel moisturizer from Pond's. And you guys always remember to moisturize your lips before starting your makeup. I have moisturized my lips with the Lakme Lip Love. It is in the shade Chocolate Hazelnut. So now moving on to the next step, which is primer. I'm using here the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. So guys, moving on to the next step, which is foundation, and I'm using here the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my as usual perfect shade and perfect foundation. I am in the shade 235 Pure Beige. So I'm taking this beauty blender over here and spraying some toner over it so that it becomes damp. I'm not gonna take much, I'm just gonna take one pump, that's it. And I'm just tapping with my fingers, tapping the foundation all over my face with my fingers. Never forget the neck. Neck is so necessary. I'm just blending all the foundation in my skin. Look you guys, this is the perfect shade. This is actually the perfect foundation because it has a lot of coverage. You can actually see all the blemishes and all the pigmentation has covered up. Look you guys, this is really amazing. Okay, so the next step is concealer and I'm using here the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It gives a lot of coverage actually. If you do not want to apply foundation, you can just skip this step and directly apply concealer. This concealer gives a full coverage and works as a foundation. Now I'm blending with the same beauty blender. Okay, so you guys remember one thing, if you want to apply eyeshadow, like if you are applying eyeshadow in your makeup, then you have to apply concealer also on your eyelids. This step will pop out your eyeshadow's color and the whole makeup look will really be on point if you apply concealer on the eyelids and then apply the eyeshadow. Remember. Now the next step is contouring. You can totally skip this step. I love to do contouring and I love shaping my face, giving structure to my face, so that is why. So I'm using here the Tri Sugar contour. It is a Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. So yeah, I'm just taking an angle brush and just gently, you know, blending in or dabbing in the contour on my face to give it a structure. That's it, not much. You can see the difference. This is a side without contouring and this is with contouring. Like it gives a structure to your face. So I'm using here the NARS blush. I am in the shade Shading Brown. This is the pure coral shade and this will actually give a peachy look to the whole face, to the whole makeup. Okay, so the next step and the most important step is powder. Using baking powder, baking your makeup, or you know, we can say that setting your makeup. So I'm using here the Fit Me Loose powder and I'm in the shade 20 light medium. Okay, so also remember one step, if you have applied concealer on your eyelids and you are going to apply the eyeshadow, then it is very necessary to, you know, set your crease and set your eyelids so that the eyeshadow will not break and will not break in between and it blends in easily. So that's the most necessary step if you are applying an eyeshadow. So here I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow stick and I am in the shade 01, which is Natural Black. Okay, so moving on to eyeshadow. So I'm using this eyeshadow which is from Nika Care. This is their watermelon splash, and I'm taking this shade. This shade doesn't have any name over here. It's kind of peachy, and it is this shade. It is kind of peachy and it is also having some red in it, red color in it. Applying it on my outer. I'm just applying slowly and from a very light hand on the outer eye, like on the outer side of the eye. So I've changed the brush. Now I'm gonna apply this shade. This is a light peach shade, and also it has a color of light brown, like, and I'm applying on my crease and blending both the eyeshadows, like both the colors. So now for giving a glow on the eyes, I'm using shimmery shade over here, and I'm applying the first color which I applied on my eyes to the waterline, like near to the waterline, under eye area, to just give more structure to the eyes. Completing the eye look with mascara. I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner today. This is my all-time favorite mascara. This is from Maybelline Hypercon mascara. I have maximum products from Maybelline because they are so reliable. They are such a brand. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm applying this Swiss Beauty White Kajal. Okay, so you guys, I'm almost done with this look. Before applying highlighter, I always use setting spray. Here I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. So for highlighter, I'm using my favorite Glam 21 highlighter palette, and I'm using this shade. And for my lips, I'm using here the Nikkie Skincare Cheeky Nude Blush and Lip Tint. Like, this is a lip gel, you can say, and for giving the lips a natural look. Alright you guys, this is it for this video today. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more such videos. Keep watching.